I'd like to give you an overview of what I, as a chiropractor, primarily do. So all of us have a spinal column. It's 25 of what should be independently movable vertebrae that are here not just to hold the body up, but also to protect and surround the spinal cord and the roots of the nerves that go to and control your arms, legs, heart, lungs, liver, stomach, spleen. So the nerves enter and exit the spinal cord and thereby the brain through a very narrow tunnel through the vertebrae. We know that if a vertebra shifts out of alignment, that can disturb the nerve root, and that it usually does disturb the nerve root. Now, I don't mean a kink in the hose, I don't mean a pinched nerve, I mean just a mild amount of compression. In 1975 at the University of Colorado School of Medicine, it was shown the weight of a dime on a nerve root, that much pressure, reduces the impulses along that nerve by 40% after 3 minutes. Now, wherever that nerve's going, it's struggling. It might cause numbness, tingling in the fingers or the toes or the legs. But perhaps more importantly, it may cause chronic other functional disturbances depending on where the nerve is involved. For example, if the nerve between the skull and C1 is mildly irritated, that can cause chronic headaches or even migraine-like patterns. C2 can affect sinuses between the shoulder blades. T4, T5 can affect stomach and esophagus and cause chronic heartburn. My job as a chiropractor is to find and correct any misaligned vertebrae, ultimately to restore full and normal function to the nervous system and to stimulate the body's innate ability to heal itself. I don't heal anyone. And for sure, Vicodin and Advil don't heal you, muscle relaxants don't heal you. My job is to find out why you're not healing yourself, correct that, and then you should. And as a side effect, you will almost always feel better. Yes, I see primarily people with back and neck pain and headaches because those are the things that people know chiropractic is associated with. But the side benefit is a lot of people with those issues that bring them here see marked improvement in other things. So that's in a nutshell what I as a chiropractor do, and I do it by using my hands or in people who are terrified of a manual adjustment, which by the way is completely unjustified. I use an adjusting tool, an electric adjusting tool that emits the thrust, if you will, for me, but it's a gentler technique. I use drop technique. We do deep tissue in conjunction with the adjustments. We have other therapeutic tools that are quite helpful for aiding this process. Any other questions? Don't hesitate to ask by email, phone, etc.